Once upon a time, in a bustling little town, lived a young boy named Timmy. Timmy had a special friend, a mop named Moppet. Moppet was not just an ordinary mop, she was a magical mop with the ability to clean up any mess. One sunny morning, Timmy woke up to find his room in a mess. Toys scattered everywhere, books on the floor, and his bed unmade. Timmy groaned and looked at Moppet, who stood silently in the corner. "Moppet," Timmy said, "I don't feel like cleaning up today. Can you do it for me?" Moppet looked at Timmy with her soft, plush eyes. She knew Timmy was tired, but she also knew that he needed to learn the importance of responsibility. So, she decided to teach him a lesson. "I can't clean up for you, Timmy," Moppet said softly. "But I can help you learn how to clean up yourself." Timmy looked surprised. "How can you help me?" he asked. Moppet, with a wave of her head, began to transform. She grew taller, her bristles turned into hands, and she spoke with a kind, wise voice. "I'll show you, Timmy. Cleaning up is not just about tidying a room. It's about taking care of the things you own, showing respect for your surroundings, and learning to be responsible." Timmy watched as Moppet demonstrated how to pick up toys, organize books, and make his bed. He listened carefully, feeling a sense of determination grow within him. After Moppet finished demonstrating, she returned to her original form. Timmy looked at the transformed room, feeling a sense of pride. "Thank you, Moppet," he said. "I understand now. I'll clean up every day from now on." From that day forward, Timmy took care of his room every day, learning the value of responsibility. And Moppet, his magical mop, watched over him, proud of the lessons she had taught him. The end.